Ikaw, makulit ka din. Ha? Ikaw, pinaraw kulit ni Mami.
Start her up. Come on, Carl. Why don't you say with Jimmy? What? I want to listen. Not this time.
So how do we do this? Take a vote?
Does it have to be unanimous?
Which already ruled. Well, let's just see where everybody stands, and we can talk through the options. Yeah, the way I see it, one way to move forward.
Killing him. Right? And why even bother to take a vote? It's clear which way the wind's blowing.
Well, if people believe we should spare him, I want to know.
Well, I can tell you it's a small group. Maybe just me and Glenn.
I think you're pretty much right about everything all the time, but this...
It got you scared.
He's not one of us. And we've lost too many people already.
How about you? Do you agree with this?
We continue keeping a prisoner.
Just another mouth to feed.
It may be a lean winter.
We could ration bid him.
Well, he could be an asset. Give him a chance to prove himself.
Put him to work. We're not letting him walk around.
Put an escort on him.
Who wants to volunteer for that, dude? I will. I don't think any of us should be walking around.
He's right. I wouldn't feel safe unless he was tied up. We can't exactly put chains around his ankles, sentence him to hard labor.
Look, say we let him join us, right? Maybe he's helpful. Maybe she's nice. We let our guard down, and maybe he runs off, brings back his 30 men.
So the answer is to kill him to prevent a crime that he may never even attempt? If we do this, We're saying there's no hope. Rule of law is dead. There is no civilization.
Could you drive him further out? Lead him like you planned?
You barely came back this time. Walkers you could break down, you could get lost, get ambushed.
Alright, we should not put our own people at risk.
If you go through with it, how would you do it? Would you sell him?
Hang him. Snap his neck. I thought about that. Shooting may be more humane.
What about the body? Do it better.
Hold on. You're talking about this like it's already decided.
We've been talking all day. Go around in circles. You just want to go around in circles again?
This is a young man's life. And it is worth more than a 5-minute conversation. Is this what it's come to? We kill someone because we can't decide what else to do with them. You saved him. Now look at it. He's been tortured. He's going to be executed. How are we any better than those people that we're so afraid of?
We all know what needs to be done. No, Dale is right. We can't leave any stone unturned here. We have a responsibility.
Let Rick finish. We haven't come up with a single viable option yet. I wish we could.
So let's work on it.
Stop it. Just stop it. I'm sick of... the arguing and fighting. I didn't ask for this. You can't ask us to decide something like this. Please decide, either of you, both of you, but leave me out.
Not speaking out. Or killing him yourself. There's no difference.
All right, that's enough. Anybody who wants the floor before we make a final decision has the chance.
You once said,